Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to add control panel icon to Windows 10 desktop. So guys, if you want to add control panel icon to Windows 10 desktop, it's very easy. First right click on personalize. After click on themes. Now click on desktop icon setting. And here option control panel. So if you want to add, check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. There it. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to add control panel icon to Windows 10 desktop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.